Hello everyone, my name is Majid Rahimi. In this video, I want to tell you my story of how I started my Forex and stock markets career. Stay with us. It was nearly 5 years ago. I heard the name of the stock markets and the shares and selling and buying and making profit in our university from one of my friends. At that time, my friend was going to buy some shares of a company and he was sure that it would make some profit. So he decided to open an account in one of the greatest brokers in our country. Guess what happened? Before the market starts its working day, a part of that company suffered from a fire. But after that, news said that that was not a big deal and the damages are minor and it's not something so important. My friend bought some shares, but we get upset and disappointed about market. This was a negative signal for us. So we didn't even ask him if he made some profits or suffered from loss. After that time, market started falling very bad and our friends suffered from lots of losses. This caused us not to follow and get inside the market. It took nearly 4 years after that for me to get again inside the market and get interested about it. I started to watch some technical analysis videos from some of the traders, and at that time I realized there is another market named Forex, which is much more profitable and much more reliable than our market. It has some advantages like both side trading, you can buy and sell, and opposite to the stock markets in our country, you can benefit from falling of the prices and you don't have to wait for market to start rising up and buy some shares to make profit of it. After a while and seeing videos and learning some minor things about Forex, I started trading on my own. Fortunately, I didn't experience call margin in any of my real accounts because I was conservative in my risk management and money management. But like any other traders, I've lost some money in this market. After knowing about CFTE and other certifications about trading in market, I realized that lots of my knowledge about technical analysis is wrong and there are some very important defects on it. There are lots of books, videos, other resources in technical analysis and the ways of buying and selling stock markets and forex and other financial instruments, but sometimes they miss some very important details and this caused the loss of many traders. I decided to start recording videos in this field with great and valid resources for banks, hedge funds and other financial institutions. They respect this kind of certifications because of their validity and details in the resources. I'm very happy that you've joined me in this path and watched this video. Subscribe in our channel by clicking on subscribe button and the notification bell under this video. Share our videos with your friends. You can enjoy free tutorials, technical analysis on live charts that we're going to add in this week. Thanks for watching, have a good time and bye.